Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you how to get real-time market data in TradingView using the updated 2026 settings. So currently on TradingView Premium, a Black Friday sale is going on in which you are going to get up to 80% discount plus 1 month free. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just check out the link that is given in the description. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, you can either click on the option of products or you can use the search bar here in order to basically open the chart of any of the symbols provided here. So once the chart is opened in front of you, here on the top you will see this type of data. As you can see, this particular data is updated in every 5 seconds, or so this is the data. Basically this is the real market time data that is visible here on the chart. So if on your chart it is showing delayed or end of the day, it simply means that you are not receiving the real time data yet. So in order to activate the real time feed, you just have to simply click on your profile icon here on the top, or you can also come here on this page first, then click on the option of your profile icon. Now over here you just have to go to the settings and the billing option. Inside this option, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of market data. Now TradingView lists every available exchange with two options: delayed data for the free users and real-time data as a paid add-on. So you can basically choose the exchange that you want, NASDAQ, NYSE, CME, or Forex feeds, and then you can turn on the real-time options. You can review the monthly cost and confirm the subscription. As I've told you at the beginning of this video, currently this particular subscription is going to basically cost you 80% less because they are giving you 80% discount. So if you are interested, you can just simply check out the link in the description. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching.